105.7 Light FM. There's Lucas Graham, and 7 years. It's Doug Reese sitting in for Morning Dave here on your Tuesday morning, and it's that time of the morning where we check in with Phillip Statler from Statler Financial Services, get an update on what's going on with our markets. Hey, Phillip, how are you on this Tuesday morning?
Hey, good morning, Doug. Doing well. It is Tuesday, and yesterday, I think I'm gonna start out this way. Yesterday we talked a little bit about Apple, right? They had their big thing for industry providers and stuff like that, and they announced their entry into the virtual reality game. And so, but I will say that it was not the earth-shattering waterfall that everybody was expecting, at least from a stock standpoint. They're trading down actually this morning about 0.6%. So they did not wow people yesterday in their virtual reality debuts, so to speak. So it's a neat looking headset, but $3,500, I don't know who's going to go get one.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, that it is. Hey, yesterday was, when you and I talked yesterday, things were going really good. And it looked like the market was going to be okay. Well, it opened up okay, but it fell apart pretty quick and actually ended up across the board in the red. The S&P 500 wasn't too bad, down $8.50. It closed at $4,274. The NASDAQ was down $11 to 13,229. Big loser yesterday in dollar volume was the Dow Jones, down basically $200, closed at 33,563. So everything solid red yesterday as we head into today. We are getting towards the end of earnings season. Not much in the way of economic news coming out. Factory orders did come out yesterday at 10 o'clock. They were slightly less than the expectation. The expectation was about a 0.6% increase. It came out at a 0.4% increase. So down a little miss there. And even the ISM service index was down about 2% more than expected, came in at 50.3. So the economic numbers were a little less than what everybody was expecting. There's no economic news actually coming out of the government today. And then tomorrow, we got a few things, but not much. Again, it's a pretty quiet week until we get to Thursday, and that'll be initial jobs claims. So that's kind of where we are on the economic calendar. I kept trying to look for some news out there. The big news today, basically coming across the wire, is the SEC is suing Coinbase, the exchange over, and so that stock's getting hit by dropping by about 15% this morning. So big news that way. We look at some of the companies that have reported. We still have a few that have reported. Thor Industries, they are the recreational vehicle manufacturer. They actually had a really good quarter. Earnings and revenue beat. They upped their full year guidance. The RV industry has really benefited from COVID. Even though, things have kind of tapered off, prices have come down a little bit, used ones have come down a little bit. They are still, people are out there wanting to RV. And so they're actually trading up today, 9.9%. So a nice little boost for them today. The other company that reported is McCormick. They're always kind of the last of the earnings season. And they came in okay. They got a double upgrade actually to a buy. And McCormick is trading up almost 1.8%. The another household name, Doug, is J.M. Smuckers, and the jelly folks. They had a good quarter. They beat on both earnings and revenue, and so they're actually trading up about 1% this morning. There's somebody I saw that there's a company called GitLab, and they're a software development platform. They are having a really good day today, at least to start out with. They reported a smaller loss than was expected. They only lost 6 cents a share. They were expected to lose like 14 cents a share. Revenue was about almost 10 million more than expected. And so they're getting a nice bump today, up 29.4%. So they're getting like I said, a nice little bump there from the day. Not much else really to talk about today. I kind of looked at interest rates there. They're holding steady right now. And then we'll have more to talk about tomorrow. Maybe there's a few more companies that will report, not much on the economic front. But as heading into today, though, here's where we're going to start the day. All I see, Doug, is some red ink. Not a lot, but a little. It's kind of a so-so day. We got the Dow Industrial 30s basically down $12. That's less than 0.1%. S&P 500 is down $2, and the NASDAQ 100 is down $13. So nothing really exciting on the indexes. Silver's up 10 cents. So not much. Gold's up 0.1%. Crude oil, after yesterday's big bounce up, is falling down 2% to $70.70 a barrel, which is good. I went and filled up yesterday because I figured gas prices would be heading up. So, hey, as we head in, we've got the European markets kind of following behind us. They're kind of flat right now, all slightly to the red. The Asian markets are mixed, with the Nikkei up about 0.9%. Hang Seng is down about $9, less than 0.1%. So that's where we're sitting right now. Let's see what crypto is looking at. We haven't looked at it for a little bit. Crypto is actually trading up about 0.33%. Ethereum's trading up about 0.33%. So it's kind of what we're looking at for the day. Hope everybody has a great day as we head into the rest of this week, as we head into those things. Hey, as we close out this morning, don't forget that there are so many things in this world that we can't control. However, you can control the amount of risk you have in your portfolios. You need to know what that risk is and what it should be for your particular circumstances. That's why I developed the Core Retirement Design. Give us a call at 863-382-0037 to schedule your Core Retirement Design. And then check out the Statler Financial Radio Show this weekend, 6 a.m. and noon on Saturday, 10 a.m. Sunday morning on Highlands News Talk 730, 95.3 FM.
All right, Phillip, great to talk to you. In fact, hey, I'll be back tomorrow morning. There was a mix-up in the schedule. I thought Dave was going to be back tomorrow, but I will be back tomorrow, so we will talk with you again tomorrow morning, same time, same station.
Yeah, you thought this morning was the last day you was going to have to get up early, didn't you?
Yeah, and then I got a text from Dave, and he's like, hey, I think there's a mix-up in the schedule, but he says, can you cover another morning? I said, yeah, I can do it. So I'll be here tomorrow with you.
All right, man. Talk to you then. Have a great day.
All right. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Remember that first.
And folks, again, I want to thank you for joining us today. Hope your day is going well. Join us again tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a great one. Bye now.